Hello and welcome to the presentation of our VLHCC full paper. My name is Enes Yiğitbaş and I am a researcher at Paderborn University. Today I am going to present our work on VREUD, an end-user development tool to simplify the creation of interactive VR scenes. This is a joint work with my colleagues Jonas Klauke, Sebastian Gottschalk and Gregor Engels. Let's start with the motivation of the problem. Recent advances in virtual reality technology and the increased availability of VR-equipped devices enable a wide range of VR applications. For novice developers, however, creating interactive scenes for VR applications is a complex and cumbersome task that requires high technical knowledge, which is often missing. Therefore, our research question here is, how can we enable novices to create, modify, and execute their own interactive VR scenes? To answer the research question, we provide an open-source web-based end-user development tool called VREUD that supports the rapid construction and execution of interactive VR scenes. VREUD makes use of the end-user development methods component-based and wizard-based development. Component-based development allows an efficient construction by reusing and configuring of provided components. Furthermore, we apply wizard-based development to lead the novice in a step-by-step manner through the specification of the VR scene, including interactions and tasks. Besides the mentioned basic end-user development methods, VREUD supports many other features like visual programming or parameterization. Let's take a look into the short demo video where the most important features of VREUD are explained.
Novices are supported in the construction by visualizing the interactive VR scene in the development. This ensures direct feedback of added and modified entities inside the scene. The novice selects a source entity, an event, a target entity and an effect to develop an interaction. A task is defined by a set of smaller activities. An activity is configured by an activity type that defines the atomic action the VR user has to perform. The construction uses two dialogues so that the novice only needs to focus on the current task or activity. Patterns are components in the editor which use a wizard to perform a set of construction steps in one step. The components have defined input and output to ensure the easy extension of new patterns. The patterns can result in a set of added entities, interactions, tasks, and changed parameters of existing elements. Consequently, the abstraction level is higher. The generator produces an interactive VR scene implemented in A-frame. VREUD can execute interactive VR scenes. To utilize this, the construction is designed to enable prototyping at each step to experience the current interactive VR scene. This provides direct feedback of the developed interactive VR scene and the novice can explore the construction.
We conducted a usability evaluation to evaluate the effectiveness, efficiency, and user satisfaction of VREUD. We recruited 15 volunteer participants for the usability evaluation, where the reported experience level of the participants in VR development is divided into 9 novices and 6 experts. To rate the effectiveness and efficiency, the participants had to solve various assignments whose required time and successful completion were measured. If we take a look into the results of efficiency and effectiveness, for example, we can see that both groups, novices and experts, are often close together, which indicates the potential of VREUD to support novices in the construction of interactive VR scenes. In this work, we introduced a web-based authoring tool for web-based interactive VR scenes. Furthermore, we have evaluated the usability of VREUD, which shows that our tool is easy to learn and supports to lower the entry barrier. In future work, we plan to apply VREUD in different application domains and evaluate it with a larger group of non-professional developers. Thank you very much for your attention.